Afternoon, Kajal. Congratulations for your net. 98.14
Thank you.
percentile. बहुत बड़ा score.
You simplified the concepts to such an extent that I felt like, okay, I need to know more about it. So that got me a lot. Initially, I joined two more classes like JRF Adda and Arpita Karba classes, but it was not so effective for me. And I can sit for long hours and listen to you, sir. I mean, to your concepts. I'm not flattering. I'm being very honest. Sir, samosa and chai and jalebi देख के हमें भी मन करता था यहाँ पे कि हाँ हमें भी मिले. एंड सर आप यकीन नहीं मानेंगे मैं आपको कॉल का बहुत टाइम से वेट कर रही थी एंड अभी इट्स वेरी फॉर्चुनेट मैं अभी गुरुद्वारे में ही हूँ एंड जस्ट आपका कॉल आया इधर.
Like, would you recommend our classes for the students who are freshers?
Surely, sir. I mean, I would highly recommend them. I have recommended some of my, classmates also.
The India's Most Trusted Brand of the Year Awards 2024 with the first award category, which is Best UGC NET JRF English Coaching in Delhi by Vineet Pandey. It goes to Professor Vineet Pandey.
Hello, Kajal. Can you hear me?
Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, Kajal. Congratulations for your net. 98.14
Thank you.
percentile. बहुत बड़ा score.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
So, Kajal, first of all, I'm really sorry. मैं time से interview नहीं कर पाया. This got delayed because of certain, अब क्या होता है कि जब आप एक बड़े लेवल पे पहुंचते हो ना तो बहुत सारी चीजें कनेक्ट कर जाती हैं. दिल्ली
Yes,
यूनिवर्सिटी
sir.
में
Of
भी
course.
फेस्ट चल रहा है और डीयू फेस्ट
Okay.
के साथ साथ आई वाज अ मेंबर ऑफ डूटा अर्लियर. तो मेरी
All right.
लगातार
All
विजिट्स हो रही थी वहां पे. तो आई वाज नॉट एबल टू कंडक्ट द इंटरव्यूज. सो आप कैसे हैं और आप कहाँ से हैं?
Yes, sir. I mean, it's okay, sir. No worries, sir. I mean, I was waiting for your call. And sir, I belong from Jharkhand, Ranchi.
झारखंड रांची. आपके यहाँ झारखंड रांची में एक डीएवी कॉलेज है क्या?
Yes, sir. एक DAV कॉलेज भी है यहाँ पे. एंड सर से मैंने तो ग्रेजुएशन एंड मास्टर्स सेंट जेवियर्स कॉलेज से किया है.
एग्जैक्टली. एक जेवियर भी काफी फेमस कॉलेज है, काफी अच्छा कॉलेज है. वहां से भी हमारे कई स्टूडेंट्स हैं.
Yes, sir. And with your help, sir, it really helped me a lot. I mean, initially I was unknown about your classes and I searched a lot in Google and YouTube. So, I mean, I used to see the demo classes of yours. That really interested me a lot. And the difference you made, sir, that, the topics which I wasn't interested, I was like, I don't want to study these topics. I'm not at all interested in all the learnings about it. I feel like, no, I cannot deviate myself in regard to this. But with your classes, it made me feel like the topics which you choose. And it just made me, I was more curious to know more about it. Okay, psychoanalysis, I want to know more about it. Post-humanism, I want to know more about it. So that helped me a lot, sir. And thank you so much. I really wanted to thank you in person, but it wasn't possible for me.
This is the same thing. The last person I was interviewing, he said, "Sir, I used to hate English literature, and after your classes, I started loving it. I found a lot of curiosities." So the same
Okay,
thing happened with
sir.
you.
Yes, sir.
So, Kajal, you told me that you were searching a lot of people, and then finally you found me. What made you attracted towards my classes?
So because you made tough and complex things very simple to me. You simplified the concepts to such an extent that I felt like, okay, I need to know more about it. So that got me a lot. So
And
that was the thing that, yeah.
so, Kajal, when you started preparing for this exam, so were you suspicious whether I'll be able to qualify or not? Is tough exam, and maybe
Sir,
people
I
like
was
me.
you won't believe me, sir. I was really worried about. I mean, this was my third attempt, and I gave up all my hopes. Initially I joined two more classes like JRF Adda and Arpita Karba classes, but it was not so effective for me. But this was my last, I was like, okay, I'm gonna, put on to this, like this gonna be my last attempt and let's see what happens.
So, what
So
is
that was
what was the difference that you felt? The difference between three different classes?
So the difference I told you, like first, it really got me interested. First, second, you actually simplified the concepts to such an extent that I was like, I need to. no, I need to get to more know about it. I was very curious. And third, sir, it just, you made the class so interesting with your, with your journey. I was also very inspired. Like, you also belong from a small town. So within these, within your classes, you used to talk about your journey. You used to make the classes so fun. And that was very interesting. Like, I want to stick to the classes right now. So that got me like,
And
yes.
those rapid fires, motivational sessions.
Sir, I mean, I will try to, share my experience when I joined the first class. So, your first rapid fire, it felt like I couldn't compete with DU students. I belong from this Ranchi, Jharkhand. I felt like, no, I mean, these students are so great. They have so sharp mindset, and with my, with my knowledge and with my intellect, I think I won't be able to compete with them. But sir, with two first or second week, I felt like, no, even I can do that. Even I can have that knowledge if I feel like I can also self motivate myself. So you gave me that, sir, and thank you so much for that.
And Kajal, was it easy for you to sit for long hours because you were getting offline batch classes at home? So sitting for long hours, like from starting 10 and then evening classes were also there till 10 p.m.
Sir, I thought that it would be very difficult for me, but then as soon as I joined the classes, I felt like, no, I mean, I want to know more about it. The students are already sitting, and why can't I? Like, it's the same thing for me. It's just there is a screen. The difference is there's a screen. And I can sit for long hours and listen to you, sir. I mean, to your concepts. I'm not flattering. I'm being very honest. Like, your concepts make me realize that, okay, this is the great thing. I was not knowing about this. Okay, I don't have a knowledge about this. So your knowledge gave me that thing.
So you must
जब
have
आप
felt
कोई
that
concept
hundreds of
समझाते हो
things
तो
are
it
taught
feels
for the
like
first
मुझे ये
time.
चीज नहीं पता and I want to know more about it.
तो ऐसा लगा कि जहां भी मैंने पहले पढ़ा है वहां से तो बहुत ज्यादा पढ़ा है, वहां से तो बहुत ज्यादा चीजें मिली हैं.
Yes, sir. आपने like बहुत सारा literature is all about this ज्ञान का सागर. I have heard your like lines and बहुत सारा आपने knowledge दिया था and इतना सारा knowledge मिलने के बाद भी मुझे लगता है कि ये चीज मुझे नहीं पता है. सर ने ये बहुत डिफरेंट चीज बताया. ये बुक तो मुझे ये राइटर तो मैंने कभी सुना ही नहीं है इनका नाम. ये तो मुझे पता ही नहीं है. मलयालम राइटर्स you talk about all these things. So that was very interesting, sir. Yeah.
लास्ट क्लासेस हुई थी जिसमें हम लास्ट में 10 बजे सुबह से लेके रात को बैठे होते थे.
Yes, sir. Yes,
कई
I
स्टूडेंट्स ने इंटरव्यू में
remember.
कंप्लेंट की कि सर हमें जलेबी नहीं मिली सर.
सर समोसा एंड चाय एंड जलेबी देख के हमें भी मन करता था यहाँ पे कि हाँ हमें भी मिले. एंड सर आप यकीन नहीं मानेंगे मैं आपका कॉल का बहुत टाइम से वेट कर रही थी एंड अभी इट्स वेरी फॉर्चुनेट मैं अभी गुरुद्वारे में ही हूँ एंड जस्ट आपका कॉल आया इधर.
And that's something divine. So this
यस
is the best thing that you are at the best place. Blessings of
थैंक यू
gurus.
सर. Now, sir, I would just want your help in my PhD courses. If you could just guide me through that, sir, it would be
Don't worry
very
about
helpful.
it because I'll arrange some proposals for you, sample proposals. There are many students that have made it in genuine DU. So हम उनके sample proposals आपको provide करेंगे. Just choose your topic. Tell me the topics where you're actually interested. So maybe cyber
Sir,
feminism,
yes,
LGBT
sir.
studies, digital humanities. जो भी आपको best लगेगा. Because अभी तो we are just winding up the interview. See, this is a
Okay.
list.
Okay, okay,
लिस्ट
okay. It's a long
टॉपर्स.
list.
हाँ,
Hi, I get
अभी
it.
ये
I
सिर्फ
get it.
जो टॉपर्स की है. उसके बाद फिर स्टेट एग्जाम्स की पेंडिंग है, अभी गेट की पेंडिंग है. And so Priyansh will connect. Priyansh sir is the mediator. He's one of my own
Okay, okay,
intern,
sir.
and
All
he
right.
keeps on connecting students. So we'll be
Okay, sir.
talking.
I
And
can talk to
I
him
need some,
regarding the
I
PhD
need
if I
some
need any
last.
help from you.
बस मुझे 2-3 लाइन और पूछनी है आपसे. That
Yes, sir.
like, would you recommend our classes for the students who are freshers?
Surely, sir. I mean, I would highly recommend them. I have recommended some of my, classmates also. Recently I have recommended 5 to 6 students who have come to me and asked me which course to take. I have recommended your classes not because I have, qualified from this. Even if I couldn't qualify, sir, I would have still recommended the classes, because the difference you make the class interesting. You make the class very simple to us. You make us learn some facts very easily. And this is not a cup of tea for everyone. So I would highly recommend to all the students to join the classes and to learn so much. There's so much to learn. When I joined your classes, I felt like I have so much to learn and what am I doing? So yes, that's the catch.
And normally, how many hours you studied apart from classes? Because classes were already having 8 to 9 hours.
Yes, sir. Sir, I was also doing some private, I was also doing my part-time job. So from like attending your classes, and then I was doing my part-time job, and then at night I would just wake up and and my routine was very hectic. I would sleep at 5 a.m.
You would sleep by 5 a.m. early morning.
Yeah.
Wow.
And then I would again wake up at 10 a.m. to attend your classes. 10, it was your time to join the classes. And then at 3 o'clock, I would do my part-time job and again come from that 6 o'clock. And then again till 5 a.m. I used to study. And then 5 a.m. I used to sleep then.
My God, we can say part-time job ke saath you have got this much money and 98.14.
Yes,
Unbelievable.
sir.
Kajal, this is
Thank you so
amazing.
much,
And
sir.
what I've observed in you is that you are somebody who is enthusiastic, has curiosity, and you're down to earth. अगर किसी
Thank you
स्कॉलर
so
में
much, sir.
जो क्रेविंग फॉर नॉलेज क्यूरियोसिटी और उसकी अचीवमेंट्स की बात भी करो डाउन टू अर्थ हो तो देयर आर जस्ट माइल्स टू गो फॉर यू अभी आप बहुत अचीव
Thank you so
करोगे
much.
एंड फॉर योर पीएचडी पर्पस जस्ट शॉर्टलिस्ट सम टॉपिक्स because
Okay, sir.
I have around 200 plus proposals of students who are already registered. So the
Okay,
proposal
sir.
that worked for them. So
Okay,
just
okay,
topic
sir.
चाहे Indian folk literature हो, चाहे digital humanities, electronic literature, या cyborg studies, LGBT. Choose your topic. I will be giving you
Okay,
4 to 5 samples related to that, and
okay,
then
sir.
we'll work on your fresh proposal. So I will make
Okay,
sure that you are
definitely.
into a PhD. I'll be there.
Okay,
I'll be
sir.
taking active assistance. Let's
Okay.
let's get you in a PhD in a good university. Target your university. Also mention which university you're targeting because the
Okay,
professors,
sir.
what are
Thank
the
you.
courses they are offering. I'm very much aware about those things. So that will
Okay,
be my
sir.
complete guidance and assistance from my side.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. I'll just shortlist my topics and I would give it to Priyansh, sir. Then I think he will connect,
Yeah.
right?
Priyansh is very active. And before I sum up, before I take leave, I love talking to you. And as you are in Gurudwara, so please just,
Definitely, sir.
yeah, I also want the blessings of gurus.
Yes, sir.
I
Definitely,
follow
sir.
Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Guru Nanak Dev Ji ने कहा था नानक नन्हे ही रहो जैसी नन्ही दूब और रूख सूख जाएंगे दूब खूब की खूब. So be down to earth, and you are an example of a personality who's down to earth. So
Right.
yeah,
Thank you so much, sir. And I will just pray for you also and for Sahitya
what I
classes,
want.
sir.
This is what I want. So may God bless you. See you soon. फोन पे बात करते हैं.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.